it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's video, Becca will be sharing 5 Data Cure Christmas designs that only require a toothpick.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. For today's Christmas designs, you'll want to start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails, and then a coat or two of a shimmery polish. First up is a Christmas wreath, so for this one, use a toothpick dipped in green to make a circle in the center of your nail. Underneath the circle, use red to make a dotted bow. At this point, I felt like the wreath wasn't thick enough, so I added another line of green dots around the outside of the circle. Next, we have a Santa hat. For this one, use a toothpick to make a large white dot and then make a red triangle underneath it. Finish it off by making 4 large white dots at the bottom of the triangle. On this nail, we'll be making a Christmas tree, so start off by using a toothpick to make a green triangle out of dots. Underneath the tree, use brown to make the trunk. Lastly, make a yellow dot at the top of the tree for the star. On the pinky finger, we'll be doing a kind of candy cane reverse French. So start with a red dot in the center of your nail near the cuticle, and then alternate between white and red dots down both sides of your nail. The last design is Christmas lights, and for this one, you'll first want to take the brush from a bottle of black polish and basically cap the free edge of your nail. You want the thinnest possible black line on the edge. Next, add dots for the lights. I used yellow, but you could make them colorful if you wanted to. When they're dry, add a little white dot in the center of each light. Finally, apply a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Which of these 5 Christmas designs did you like the best? Let us know in the comments below. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.